Now I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to just do it from scratch. So if you didn't have any yarn stitched already, how would you do it? So what you're going to do is, like I said, you always tie a knot. Give you a little extra to hold on to. And you're going to stick it inside the first hole here. And then you're going to hold your little knot out a little bit along with the side. So you're still going to pinch it, but now we're going to have the string added to it. And then of course where the knot is, that's where you're going to cut it off. So what's going to happen is you're going to hold your little thing. We're going to do like we always do. We're going to go in the first hole and come out the other hole. We're going to pull a little tight, and we're going to go over and under the string. So can you see that? See how the string's right there? See where my needle is? Okay, you're able to see that angle. So we're going to hold it until we get to our knot. And you want to pull it out a little ways because you don't want the string to come unraveled, because wear and tear and opening and closing, it will tend to come undone. So we're going to snip our little knot off. We're going to pinch it back. We're going to pull it over that. We're going to pull that out just a hair. There we go. Hold it on that little last bit piece there sticking up. Go back through our hole. And then see, that's why it's important to have your string shorter on this end, because sometimes it will get stuck into the hole. And we're going to keep going. So now you've secured it in place, and now we're at the end. So now we're at the end of our design. We're going to go back through this hole here, the first hole, pull it tight. Then you're going to open it. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. Let me see if I can get it where you guys can see. We're going to go back through our little hole, a couple little strands, pull it through, and then you're done. Okay, and then you're going to snip it, and now you have a side. Okay, now let's say you've just stitched this row here, okay, and this is done. So you're like, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? Okay, so this is what happens. So let's say you've stitched this row and this side is closed. You can just go out through that same hole like this and then just snip it. So there'll be times where you'll have to actually go through your design and snip it, and that's okay. It happens a lot. So now we've completed the box, the tissue box, the picture frame box, the card box, cell phone holder box, whatever it is you were designing it for. It'll now fit in there. So your glues, if you want to put glues in here, you know, with glues being in here, if it leaks on here, you could take the glue out, go in the kitchen, rinse it under the water, and voila, it's clean again. So thanks for watching. Please have a wonderful day. And if you don't mind, give a thumbs up. If you have any comments or any ideas or suggestions, or if you need any help or tips, then please leave them in the bottom of the video in the comment section. And I appreciate you. And if you'll share my videos, and please have others come over and learn with us. I love plastic canvas. I've been doing this since I was a kid, and I want to share it with others. So have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching.